I want to demonstrate to you one more tip when working with time zones and time zone drop-downs in Bubble. And in the previous video, I've demonstrated how you can create a drop-down just like this, which lists through all different time zones, and we're using the timezoneDatabase.com API to do that. Check out the previous video if you want to catch up. But what if I want to automatically populate this with the current user's time zone, saving them precious seconds when they register for my Bubble app? But before I do that, did you know that you can become a Planet No Code member? That at planetnocode.com, we've got videos that you cannot find on our YouTube channel. So they are exclusive to our members. And if you like this video, hit subscribe, hit like, it just helps us out loads. Let's populate this field dynamically. To do that, I'm going to use a plugin called Browser Timezone and Locale. Install. I'm going to add the element for this plugin to my page. And then I'm going to set up the default value for my time zone selector. Remember, all of this here, that is being pulled in from the time zone database API. Check out the last video if you're unsure on that. But let's set up a default value. And so we have to go through the process of get data from an external API, list of time zones, and then we want to list out the zones and we want to filter them. And so we can say zone name is equal to, and this is where we use the time zone detector plugin, Browser Timezone Locale, and I say time zone ID. And then we're filtering it. Bubble doesn't know if we're going to get a list or get one thing, so we just say use the first item because we're looking for an exact match. Let's preview that. Okay, and there you can see it automatically fills in the time zone that I'm actually at, and that is Europe, London. And I'm going to share the same trick I shared in the previous video here, which is what if I want to fake it? What if I want to test the time zone detection out for a different region? So in Chrome, you can go bring up the browser, the dev inspector tools, and we can go more tools, sensors, and we can override the time zone that our web browser gives Bubble. And so let's change it to Berlin, and then refresh the page. And you can see it updates to Berlin. Let's do one more. And it updates it to Tokyo. So there you have it. That is another trick to using time zones, which has been a bit of an upward struggle with Bubble. Time zones have not been the easiest thing to manipulate, but thanks to new tools that they've added in recent months, in 2023, they're a lot easier to work with. If you've got any questions about time zones, please leave a comment below.